Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, November the 3rd. The time is around 2:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are going to update the chart of the SPY 30-minute chart here. This is the ETF on the S&P 500. Now we can see we ended this with B, okay? Then now turning lower, that means we are turning lower within with C in the intermediate degree, and it is 1 2 3 4 5 as an impulse. Once this 5 is down is completed, that should be ending with 1 in the minor degree of C, right? And then it should get a 2 3 4 5 before ending the C in the intermediate degree. So the bottom line is, in the short term, as long as we stay below 390, we can then continue to go down and the rally can continue to fail in the sequence of 3-7-11 swing for the downside. Now let's zoom out a little bit. I'm going to zoom out on the daily. I'm going to copy this P here into the daily time frame, and this is the P that we're talking about in the 30 minutes. So if this is the P, then this is the A, and we're now doing the C leg, right? We sold off. Now if you want to be measuring the extension, so you can see if I go to the 4-hour time frame now you can see this rally here from the A to the B, and if you project the extension, so you notice here we got this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 swing, which is corrective, and it hit the perfect 100% and then going down, right? So we, in fact, in the service, we give a blue box in the 4-hour time frame. And so let's show you guys here. We actually have a bearish sequence right side the 4-hour time frame. So we indicated this is the selling area. It has a bearish sequence, so our members sold it here, and now their position should be risk free because it turns lower. They can take partial profit, move stop loss, and so on. So that's the way it is. Not every single swing and update is something we trade every single minute, every single hour, every single day, but specifically when it is reaching the blue box with a bearish or bullish sequence that we start to try to trade. Okay, so now back to the idea that we starting to turn lower. Now we can continue to go down, but at this point, since we have reacted lower from the blue box, right, now we need to break below this previous low. If we don't break below this previous low, what happens is we can do what we call a double correction. So it's very important, therefore, when trading, is always trading at the extreme area indicated by the blue box, because now, even though we are calling completed, people that didn't sell it back then in the blue box trying to chase, well, then the thing is, yes, it can happen like this. This is the most aggressive view, but now we actually need confirmation breaking below the low, since we have already seen the reaction. If it is doing a double, this could be your W here, and this is the X, and then we rally again in the Y leg. Going back to the daily, you can see there is a bearish sequence there, because if let me erase everything, because if you look from the larger time frame, right, let me zoom out. So this is the high, the all-time high in the SPY in January this year. Now you notice here, from here we got this 1 2 3 4 5 swing, right? And it looks to me, if you want to label it, this will be the connector, and if that's the case, when you project the extension, it has not reached the 100%. So in other words, you can label this WX, A, B, and now C leg. Now, since we have reacted lower after this rally, if it doesn't break below here, we can do double like this now, and then yet expect it to fail again because of this larger degree lower low sequence here, right? So this is the trend line of the bearish channel. In fact, it is possible to do double. The possibility is always there to do double before going down, but the key is, if we trade the right level, which is that blue box, then basically it doesn't matter. If it does a double, there is no harm, we're not going to lose anything. And then if it does a double, then we can expect the next 3 swings extreme area to find sellers again from here. there should be another blue box sellers again, and then it should go down again, right? So that is the idea with the SPY right now. And as always, if you want to get more regular updates, you can always check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.